Manipur, this is regarding the situation that remains volatile in Imphal East. Fresh firing that's been reported in Imphal East and Kangpokpi border areas of Manipur. This comes a day after firing was reported in Imphal East, where villagers, Methi villagers, were targeted. A statement that also came in from Chief Minister Biren Singh, who condemned the attack on villagers in Imphal East. The Chief Minister had said that suspected Kuki militants were allegedly behind the attack on villagers. Let's go across to Aniruddha, who has more details. Aniruddha, situation definitely volatile in Imphal East. These are, from what we understand, two incidents that have been reported in the last 24 hours.
Yes, two separate incidents of violence have been reported in the last 24 hours, Samiksha, and as we all know, yesterday 3 persons, including one commando of the Manipur police, sustained injury in the firing, whereas today morning a stray bullet hit a video journalist of a local TV station of Manipur, and he had also sustained injury on his leg. He was rushed to the hospital where he is undergoing treatment right now. We are getting to know from our sources that his condition is stable and there is nothing to worry about his condition. Meanwhile, security reinforcement have been made in the area. Heavy deployment of the central forces and the army have been made in the bordering areas of Kangpokpi and Imphal East, and the situation is being closely monitored by the top officials of all the central forces and the security agencies deployed in Manipur. Though the situation remains calm now, there has been no fresh firing being reported as of now. Tension is still prevails, Samiksha.
All right, Aniruddha, thank you for the moment. For now, we switch focus to news that you're tracking from down south. This is the news that's coming in from Tamil Nadu. All right, this is an update that's coming in the Anna University sexual assault case. The National Commission for Women has constituted a fact-finding panel to investigate a sexual assault incident at Anna University, in which allegedly a 19-year-old student was assaulted in the campus. The report by the NCW states that a food vendor identified as Ganesekaran allegedly entered the university premises, sexually assaulted a 19-year-old girl and physically assaulted her male friend as well. The accused is reportedly a habitual offender with a history of such crimes. So it's the NCW that has taken cognizance of this incident, sexual assault incident that has surfaced, a 19-year-old girl who was allegedly assaulted in university campus. Let's try and see if Ashwin is live to get us the details of the case so far. But note, the NCW, which is the National Commission for Women, has already issued a notice to the Tamil Nadu DGP as well, and has constituted a fact-finding team to investigate the sexual assault incident at the Anna University. So, uproar over the sexual assault incident that has surfaced from a state-run university. Note that one of the accused is allegedly linked to the DMK, something which is being alleged by the Tamil Nadu BJP chief, Annamalai, who's also on a fast as a mark of protest over the assault incident that has surfaced from the university. So the NCW, National Commission for Women, has constituted a fact-finding committee, this to investigate the sexual assault incident at the Anna University. The NCW has even issued a notice to the Tamil Nadu DGP regarding the incident. So the NCW taking cognizance of this assault incident. This after a 19-year-old girl was allegedly sexually assaulted in the campus. The accused even physically assaulted her male friend. So the opposition completely up in arms, the AIADMK demanding a CBI inquiry into this incident. All right, for now, we take a look at other stories that we're tracking. This is Bharat in 5 minutes. In news that's coming in from Dhubri, Assam, where a suspected member of a terror network was apprehended from Assam's Dhubri district by the Special Task Force. The operation was part of the ongoing multi-state exercise Operation Praghat against terrorists. Various documents and items that were recovered from his possession. Necessary legal and procedural formalities have also been initiated by the police.